As you can see, this is Paseo de Montejo. We're right about 39th Street right there. So you get bank there, traffic. The zebra store, I call it the zebra store, an art store. You got that big zebra sitting on the front. Yeah. You got little shops, and then I think it's Korean Grill is over there, or I think so. Yeah, let's take a ride. Let's actually go across the street. Follow me. See if I can do this without getting hit. Nice little crosswalk they have here. No traffic that way. That's one of the big roundabouts right there. And then usually this street is closed off half the street for the bicycle rides. And I love that, see that motorcycle cop right there? While I was having coffee, he had pulled over and that one white car was illegally parked. And he was honking and honking until they came out and moved. That's how they do it here. They want to give you a break and tell you to move. That car was illegally parked. They want you to move instead of getting the ticket. Yeah, he just parked there and waited for them to come out and move. So I like how they do that here. That was nice of him. He stopped for me. So what do we got here? That's it. Yeah, that's the Korean grill up there, and they also have usually right there. They have some art exhibits, usually on the weekends. And here is brunch place, and a little salon next door. Yeah, actually, I think that one hotel is up past there. The Conquistador. Somebody was telling me it's got a great aviary in there. I don't know if they do or not, but we're going to check that out. Might as well. I got my big bag of coffee. That was my only... Oh, wait, I got laundry. I got to go do that. That's right. But yeah. Just taking a little stroll around Paseo de Montejo. Around the main street. This is 37 coming up here. I think that Conquistador Hotel is on 35. But we shall see. We got the OXXO store. That's where I don't know if you guys heard me talking about the OXXO, but that is the main convenience store. They have them all over the place. Anything and everything you can get in there, pretty much. Pay your bills, do all that sort of thing. Then you got the water truck watering plants. Those cool chairs for, I'll show it to you. Yeah, you have one person sitting one way, one person sitting the other way, and you have that piece of concrete in between them so they can't touchy-feely below the waist. Aren't those cool? Yeah. Yeah, this is the OXXO store here. The OXXO. That's where you get all the stuff. Even the payphone there. Yeah, the payphones do work. Esencia Egala. Store. Buenos días. Let's see what's down this way. I like these cobblestone sidewalks. And you got benches everywhere. These big, huge trees for shade trees. So it works out really nice. And you got some beautiful buildings across the street as well. I think that's the Conquistador right in front of me. We shall see. I don't know if it is or not. Oh, I never noticed that before, but you got this hotel here, but in the parking lot, you got some of the old style buildings. Oh, there's architectures on that. You got stone and a lot of stucco in between it and mortar holding it together, but those were older buildings. Those are pretty cool. Never noticed that building before. Yeah, across the way you got some more eateries over that way. Tacos Rabes. I think this is the Conquistador. We shall see. No entrance here. So yeah, this is the Conquistador Hotel. I hear all the birds, so yeah, maybe you have an aviary in there. Well, I wonder if they have wheelchair access in here. I think they do, but it's hard to get up into there. I don't know if... Yeah, the El Conquistador. 5-star, they say. It's a Hilton brand, I guess. Inviedos. Yeah. I don't think they are open for business for food, only for staying. So, but that's okay. Got some other sites across the street. Beautiful buildings. And yeah, what should we do? Nice cool shaded area here. You got some vendor down there selling something. Not sure what he's selling. Yeah. Maybe we'll go across the street. See what's on that side. Beautiful building right there with a huge terrace. Or lanai. What do you call that? It's a terrace or whatever, a lanai. People sitting outside. It goes wrapping around the whole building. And that's a mansion. That's a 2-story mansion. Let's go take a look. If I can get across the street without getting hit, that would be great. I think I can make it. Yeah. Yeah, look at this building. Gorgeous entryway. Looks like a wraparound entryway. Yeah, beautiful. Nice looking home. I wonder what it is. Wonder what they've turned it into. So yeah, let's go back down this way. Some eateries are closed right now. Souvenir shop. Eatery is closed. Tacos. Mansion up here with looks like a lighthouse up check it out, all the stuff in front of there. It looks like it might be a museum. Yeah. There's a little doorway up there. Oops. That was a crash avoided. Yeah, cool place here. That's how they do it here. The doors are wide open. Get some breeze going through. That's their air conditioning system here. There's the Banco de Mexico, Mexico's bank, the main bank. Got to get a key access to get into there, I bet. Yeah. I'll chill out here at the benches and let you see the world go by. Yeah, I like how they have benches just every like 2 or 3 bench sets per block. Yeah, that was the AXO across the street there. Yeah, because that pinkish building or peach colored building is, I think it's office supply store. I see Epson printer brand on the windows and other electronic brands. So I think it's electronics supply store. They're watering the plants here. Yeah, so this is the traffic. These roundabouts are strange about who goes when, because you have, it's only an intersection of 4 ways, but then you have 6 different lights because you have certain people that are making U-turns like these people. So it's interesting how the traffic works here. Not used to that, or most people are not used to that. Yeah. It's pretty cool, just chilling out. Beautiful Monday. A little bit humid. Not getting the storm that Hurricane Elsa is going to be missing us. Yeah. How do you like to see? You can see the lights. It has, you can make a right turn and go straight. You can't make left turns though. Yeah. Interesting light. But it all works. So these are the different brands of vehicles. You got VWs, you got some Toyotas, Nissans, Chevy right there. Mazdas, VW, there's an old VW. Yeah, some of the pickup trucks. You see a lot of VW pickup trucks. Yeah. Let's continue on. What do you say? I can figure out this light myself too. So across from the AXO, what do we have? It's just buildings, or do we have stores here? Oh, the horn works. Some sky, some clouds there in the sky, but it is a beautiful day. It's nice and sunny and not too hot. I think it's like 93 is going to be high today. So, yeah. go without getting hit. Yeah, looks like nothing here, but could be something. Looks like it used to be, might have been a hotel or something, but not used right now. So again, you got those cool chairs where you can sit there, but you can't touch below the legs or below the waist. Bicycle lanes with bicycle parking, benches, and free Wi-Fi too. Internet gratuito. Gratis. Free. 2E1 and Cortelias. Cocktails. I'm not sure what that word is. Cortelias. Cocktails. 2-for-1 cocktails from 2 to 6. That must be happy hour. Not sure where. Somewhere in there it's 2-for-1. Maybe Nabil. Yeah, nice little bar in there. One person belly up to the bar already at 11 in the morning. 10 in the morning. What is it? So yeah, that's pretty much what you got going on downtown. We're just taking a nice little leisurely stroll. And you hear that honking? That's the motorcycle cop up there. Somebody is parked illegally, and so he honks and says, hey, move the car before he tries to give you a ticket. Gives you like 5 or 10 minutes before you move, before he'll start writing the ticket. So, police are actually helpful. And the speed limit is 60 kilometers per hour. What is that? 30 miles per hour? 35? Something like that. So I'm back where I started. So I think I'll end this and get myself home because I gotta get my laundry put up. So everybody have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe, share if you dare. Leave a comment in the video if you like this type of videos, and let me know what you think. Everybody else, hey, not everybody else, but everybody, have a great day.